Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm the duckling.
And I'm Sam and the Duckling's mom.
Welcome to Book Bites, where we are what we eat and we eat what we read. Today we will be making a chocolate chip cookie with and without nuts for the Duckling Gets a Cookie. The duckling asks for a cookie. Do you think the pigeon's happy about that? No, he's furious. He asks for things all the time. He has to drive the bus. He asks for hot dog parties. He asks to stay up late. He asks for a walrus. But then he discovers that the duckling got the cookie, so the duckling could give it to him. And then he's happy, because the duckling was nice.
And then what does the duckling say after he gives the pigeon the cookie?
Can I have another cookie? But this time, no nuts. Sooty soup.
You will need brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 eggs, chocolate chips, flour, nuts, optional, baking soda, vanilla, extract, and salt. Mix together and put in the bowl butter, the sugars, salt, and baking soda. As well as 2 eggs,
Put the shell on the plate. Then we can throw it away later.
don't forget to wash your hands after touching raw egg.
Sooty soup.
And your vanilla.
And then cream that all together until it's light and fluffy.
I'll put in the nuts and the chocolate chips.
Our next step is really simple. We just add 2 cups of flour to our creamed mixture.
Please do it.
And mix until combined.
Please mix.
Next, we're going to divide the cookie dough in half. And if you are the pigeon, you're going to want to put half of the chocolate chips and all the chopped nuts, we're using walnuts, into that half of the cookie dough. If you are the duckling, you want to put just chocolate chips in that half. Go ahead, put the nuts in.
All of them?
All of them. All right, and half the chocolate chips. Go ahead, Sam.
You got some now.
That's okay.
Oops. We'll just take these and loopity.
I'll put them on nothing.
All right.
Put.
That one's for the pigeon. And then put the rest of the chocolate chips in the other half for the duckling. Because this time...
No, not.
Then we'll fold those in.
I'll do for mine.
Alright, we got our cookies on a greased baking sheet.
No.
This half has nuts and this half does not. We're gonna put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.
Suit.
I can't wait to have a cookie with nuts. Yum.
I can't wait to have a cookie without nuts. Yum.
Here are our finished cookies, nuts, and no nuts. So you can see our first batch turned out a little dark, so we adjusted the time and found that 10 minutes was just right for our oven. All right, time for the taste test. We had to switch costumes based on who likes nuts and who doesn't in real life. So here we go. Let's start with nuts with the pigeon cookie.
Nom. I like this. It's really yummy.
All right, now let's do the duckling cookie, no nuts.
The outside is kind of crunchy and the middle is kind of soft. But it's basically what you would expect from a chocolate chip cookie.
And there's nothing wrong with that, huh?
Nope. Highly recommend you read the Pigeon books. They're really funny. The pigeon asks for some crazy wild stuff or gets in a fight about nothing. And that's why they're funny. And I also recommend you should try making these cookies. Leave book ideas in the comments down below and tell us if you like cookies with or without nuts. Happy reading and eating.
Happy reading and eating.